All right, Nate, going up. I'm going to take off from left to right.
Landing flaps.
Let me see if I can. Let me see if I can. I might be able to.
China cleared. Gear up.
Yeah, flies
Flaps
good,
up.
it's not fast. The burner looks nice, but it's not flashing.
Right. I just got to change your controller. So you do your thing, and then I'll form up on you.
You find another zip code.
I'm coming closer.
I love this little thing, man.
There you go. So I'm going to turn, try to turn with me, turn inside me.
I'll go on the outside of you. Come down on you, because I need to gain speed.
Okay.
I'm almost full power. This is like the real thing.
Yep.
You're gliding and I'm full power. Oh no, full power.
Time remaining.
Cut down low. There you go. All right, that's enough slow for me. Gotta go. I'm gonna do a down one from right to left.
Alright. I'll come low, and when you go by, I'll be on the throttle.
Yeah, it's not as fast as the other ones I'm used to. I'm gonna do another pass the other way. It looks really cool. It's not that fast, but it's got a really good scale look to it.
Alright, I'm gonna go slow with the flaps.
Go ahead.
Close the tower.
That was very close. I actually felt it.
This thing's so fun.
Fast pass, right to left.
Alright. I'm cool.
Time remaining. 2
I haven't
minutes.
owned a small warbird in so long. I needed one.
It's gonna be kind of close.
You can do so much more with these things.
Yep.
You just get low inverted, low with the flaps down. I was about to buy the F-16 70 multi.
Nah, I think you got a better choice. That looks like fun. I actually kind of want it. I need some little warbirds.
You should buy the red one so you can have.
I'm gonna do a loop right over the runway.
I'm low with the flaps down.
Okay.
I'm gonna come in so you're
The A6?
Wake up!
I think that,
Time remaining. 1 minute.
crazy guy, I think that's gonna wake
Alright,
it
I'm
up.
landing,
I'm gonna
right?
put one together this week.
Okay. With the FMS 80 rotor?
Yeah.
Just higher KV?
High KV, wider motor.
Okay. What KV?
I think I'm gonna try it. The A6 is a 2150.
Ooh, nice. Okay.
So that's probably what I'm gonna try. But it was a 3650.
Seconds.
So wider motor, short.
Oh,
shorter
so
base.
it's gonna give you more RPM just because of that.
And I think it'll be more efficient too,
Yeah.
a little bit.
I think it was totally worth the 215, honestly.
Yeah. Who makes that? Eflite?
Yes,
This
Yeah,
thing
I'm-
flies great.
I'm super stoked for the SC30 now, but I'm definitely gonna get
Yeah,
it.
let's go do the wing.
9,
Oh, you're gonna do the night wings?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
6, 5, 4, 3,
Dude, this thing flies so amazing.
2, 1.
Once you have it figured out,
Yeah, I figured it out now. It flies great.
it's wonderful.
Gear down.
And that gear.
Landing flaps.
All right, let's get this landing right. Damn it. What? It turns on its own. I didn't even do that.
Like that too, yeah. Mine was turning like that too, I don't know why.
Oh, whatever.
But also when I came in to land, it felt like...
It's veering already.
yeah, it felt like it was coming
Yeah,
out.
see, it's veering right.
It's a nice...
But hey, I'm digging it.
And I think once we put that power system in it...
Just needs a little more power.
Yep, it does. Just a little bit more. Once you put that power system in it...
Throttle cut. Normal mode.
Once you put that power system in it,
It's gonna be perfect. It's gonna be perfect. Let me go get one.